Hi students, you are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to solve two linear simultaneous equations with the help of substitution method. So, our given equations in this question are 2x plus y is equal to 13. Let us call this equation as equation number 1. Then the second one is 5x minus 4y is equal to again 13. Let us call this equation as equation number 2. To start with the solution of this question, we subtract 2x from both sides of equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is 2x plus y is equal to 13. So we subtract 2x from both sides. This minus 2x cancels with positive 2x. So y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Now we substitute this value of y in equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is 5x minus 4y is equal to 13. Now we substitute the value of y here, which is 13 minus 2x. We will solve this equation now for the value of x. 5x minus 4 into 13 minus 52. Minus 4 into minus 2x is plus 8x is equal to 13. So 8x and 5x is 13x. And 52 will go on the other side and become positive. So 13x is equal to 65. Now we divide this equation by 13 as both sides are divisible by 13. So 13x divided by 13 is x and 65 divided by 13 is 5. So the value of x is 5. Now we substitute this value of x in equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? 2x plus y is equal to 13. We substitute the value of x, which is 5. Now we multiply 2 by 5, it is 10. Now we subtract 10 from both sides. Minus 10 cancels with positive 10. So y is equal to 13 minus 10, which is 3. So our solution set in this case (5) and 3, and which is the answer of this question as well. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.